Okay, so this is the new Lincoln Continental. Last year I wasn't able to see inside of it. They did a really good job on it. This, it like slides back by itself. Pretty nice. In here, like most normal cars, you're gonna have a small area, but they actually did it all the way into the back. Left you a nice little area to put stuff into. But a feature that I just realized, I tried to get out of the car, so I'm reaching for the door handle. No door handle. Okay, so here's the no. It's not like most cars. Button. Get the button. Get out of the car. Weird technology, but really cool.